Say g'day to Vulcan DuoMax electric water heaters. Vulcan DuoMax, forged tough for the trade. Vulcan DuoMax is a great range of electric water heaters available at Tradelink. Vulcan DuoMax is the perfect choice for a quality electric storage water heater and is available in 7 storage capacities from 50 litres right through to 400 litres to suit every hot water requirement and household size. Vulcan DuoMax can be installed indoors or outdoors and are suitable for connection to continuous mains power supply or off-peak tariffs to help keep hot water energy consumption down. The Vulcan DuoMax range is designed and built with reliability in mind to endure Australia's tough conditions. Quality materials and proven technology combine to make Vulcan a great choice for reliable mains pressure hot water. The Vulcan DuoMax storage cylinder is made from high-strength steel and able to withstand varying water and heating cycle pressures. A tough, vitreous enamel lining is bonded to the inside of the cylinder, providing protection against varying water conditions. Featuring dual-handed inlet and outlet fittings, the entire range is designed for easy, flexible installation. When the homeowner needs a replacement water heater fast, Vulcan DuoMax is an easy like-for-like replacement, featuring a common footprint and fitting locations to equivalent-sized water heaters. The Vulcan DuoMax range is made by Rheem Manufacturing and backed by a solid 10-year cylinder warranty on 80 to 400 litre models. Visit the Vulcan website for details. Vulcan DuoMax features sturdy trade-tough packaging in distinctive Vulcan branding. Vulcan is supported by a national distribution, parts and service network. Vulcan DuoMax, forged tough for the trade.